So I just got done working out, and I come out of the garage and saw that. Thought to myself, what the hell is that? So I look this way, and I see this. Then I look this way. And I see this. So I'm trying to figure out which one of these suspects is the guilty one. And who is going to clean up all this toilet paper? Tyson? Kingston? Joe? Well, you see how my night will end. Have a good one.